Hey, John. Can I talk to you about something?
Of course, Sarah. What's on your mind?
Well, I have a crush on someone, and I wanted to share my feelings with you.
Ooh, spill the beans. Who's the lucky person?
His name is David. He's really funny and kind, and I enjoy spending time with him.
That's great, Sarah. So, what's the problem?
Well, I love him, but I'm not sure if he feels the same way about me.
Oh, I see. Have you talked to him about your feelings?
No, not yet. I'm nervous about his reaction.
I understand. It can be intimidating to confess your feelings to someone. But if you don't try, you'll never know.
Yeah, you're right. I don't want to live with regrets. I'll gather up the courage to talk to him soon.
Good for you, Sarah. I'm sure he'll appreciate your honesty.
Thanks, John. I hope so too. But what if he doesn't feel the same way?
Well, it's important to remember that not everyone will reciprocate our feelings, and that's okay. It's better to know than to keep wondering.
You're right. I'll keep that in mind. Thanks for the advice, John.
No problem, Sarah. That's what friends are for, right?
Absolutely. I'm glad I could talk to you about this. It's been on my mind for a while.
I'm glad you feel comfortable talking to me, Sarah. You know I'm always here for you.
I appreciate that, John. You're a great friend.
Thanks, Sarah. So, where are you planning to talk to David?
I think I'll gather my courage and talk to him after our next class together.
Sounds like a plan. I'll be rooting for you.
Thanks, John. I'll let you know how it goes.
Please do. I'm excited to hear the outcome.
I'll keep you posted. Thanks again for listening, John.
Anytime, Sarah. Take care and good luck.
Thanks, John. You too. Hey, Mark, can I talk to you about something?
Of course, Amy. What's on your mind?
Well, I wanted to talk to you about my job. I've been feeling conflicted lately.
Oh, I see. What's been bothering you?
I love my job, but I feel like I'm not being challenged enough.
I understand. Can you tell me more about what's been making you feel that way?
Well, I've been in the same role for a while now, and I've mastered all my tasks. I feel like I'm not growing professionally anymore.
I see. That's a valid concern. Have you talked to your manager about it?
Not yet. I'm not sure how they'll react, and I don't want to seem ungrateful for the job I have.
I understand your hesitation, Amy. But it's important to communicate your needs and aspirations to your manager. They may be able to offer you new opportunities or challenges.
You're right. I need to advocate for myself. I'll schedule a meeting with my manager to discuss my concerns.
That's a good plan, Amy. You deserve to be happy and fulfilled in your job.
Thanks, Mark. I appreciate your support.
No problem, Amy. That's what colleagues are for, right?
Absolutely. I'm lucky to have you as a supportive colleague.
Thanks, Amy. So, what are you hoping to achieve in your job?
I would like to take on more responsibilities, learn new skills, and contribute to the team in a meaningful way.
Those are great goals, Amy. I'm sure your manager will appreciate your ambition and drive.
I hope so. I just don't want to rock the boat or create any conflicts.
I understand, but remember, it's important to prioritize your own professional growth. If you don't speak up, nothing will change.
You're right, Mark. I need to be proactive about my career. Thanks for the pep talk.
No problem, Amy. You got this. I believe in you.
Thanks, Mark. I'll keep you updated on how the meeting with my manager goes.
Please do. I'm rooting for you.
Thanks, Mark. I appreciate your support.
Anytime, Amy. Good luck with the meeting.
Thanks, Mark. I'll do my best. Hey, John, can we talk about something serious?
Of course, Sarah. I'm all ears. What's on your mind?
Well, I have to tell you something. I love him, but I'm not sure if he feels the same way about me.
Oh, I see. Can you tell me more about what's been going on?
Yeah, I've been dating Alex for a while now, and I really care about him. But lately, he's been distant and not as affectionate as before.
That sounds tough, Sarah. Have you talked to Alex about it?
No, not yet. I'm scared that I'll push him away if I bring it up.
I understand your concerns, but it's important to communicate your feelings in a relationship. Maybe Alex is going through something and doesn't realize how his behavior is affecting you.
You're right, John. I need to have an honest conversation with him and express my feelings.
That's a good approach, Sarah. Remember, open and honest communication is key in any relationship.
Yeah, I know. I just don't want to lose him, but I also don't want to be in a one-sided relationship.
I understand. It's important to prioritize your own emotional well-being. If Alex truly cares about you, he'll be willing to listen and work things out.
Yeah, you're right. I can't keep avoiding this issue. I need to confront it and see where we stand.
Exactly, Sarah. You deserve to be in a healthy and fulfilling relationship.
Thanks, John. I appreciate your support.
No problem, Sarah. I'm here for you.
Thanks, it means a lot to me. I'll talk to Alex and see how it goes.
I'm sure things will work out for the best, Sarah. Just be honest with yourself and with Alex.
Thanks, John. I'll do my best.
You got this. I'm rooting for you.
Thanks, John. I'll keep you updated on what happens.
Please do. I'm here for you, no matter what.
Thanks, John. I really appreciate your friendship.
Anytime, Sarah. You know I've got your back.
Thanks, John. I'm lucky to have you as a friend.
Emily, can we talk for a moment?
Sure, James. What's on your mind?
Well, I wanted to talk to you about my job. I love working here, but lately, I've been feeling overwhelmed.
Oh, I see. Can you tell me more about what's been going on?
Yeah, I've been taking on additional responsibilities and working long hours to meet deadlines. It's been affecting my work-life balance and overall well-being.
I understand, James. It sounds like you've been under a lot of pressure.
Yeah, it's been challenging. I'm passionate about my work, but I don't want it to take a toll on my health and personal life.
That's understandable, James. Have you talked to your manager about it?
No, not yet. I'm worried that they might think I'm not capable of handling my job or that I'm not committed enough.
I see your concerns, James. However, it's important to prioritize your well-being and communicate your needs. Your manager should be supportive and willing to work with you to find a solution.
You're right, Emily. I need to take the initiative and have a conversation with my manager.
I think that's a good approach, James. Remember, it's okay to ask for help or discuss workload concerns in a professional manner.
Yeah, I know. I just don't want to disappoint anyone or jeopardize my job.
I understand, but your health and well-being should come first. Your job should not negatively impact your physical or mental health.
You're right, Emily. I need to take care of myself and find a healthy balance.
Exactly, James. It's important to have a healthy work-life balance to perform well in your job and take care of yourself.
Thanks for your support, Emily. I appreciate your advice.
No problem, James. I'm here to help.
Thanks, it means a lot to me. I'll talk to my manager and see how we can find a solution.
That's a good plan, James. I'm sure things will work out for the best.
Thanks, Emily. I'll keep you updated on how it goes.
Please do. I'm here to support you.
Thanks, Emily. I appreciate your friendship and understanding.
Anytime, James. You know I've got your back.
Thanks, Emily. I'm grateful to have you as a colleague.